Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore Viber chat history without backup. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to restore your Viber chat history here without any backup, so unfortunately, like for example, you haven't backed up your data here, well, this will be kind of difficult. So the only way for you to restore your Viber chat history without any backup is by contacting support. So typically, you just need to open up any browser here, just type in a phone, it's going to be contact Viber support, and just access the first link here that says help.viber.com. So it's going to just choose Viber. Now from here, you want to go to the very bottom of your page, or the page here, you want to go to the Viber section and just click on contact us. Now this or Viber will ask you to confirm that you're not a robot. Let's go and just confirm this and just do the puzzle that they will be presenting you. Now, once you've done that, you just need to submit your request. Now, first is you need to add the email address, the name, the category here, and from here, the country as well. Now, you may want to add the phone number that is connected to your Viber account and also the subject. Now, from here, you may want to choose the category option here for, let's just say, a technical issue. So, in this case, you could go and just choose that one. So I think that's the best option category for it. And you want to go and just provide the necessary details. So subject, you could just maybe say that you need assistance recovering your data. Now for description, you could go and further expand what actually happened here and just request them to provide or recover any data that they may have in their end. So sometimes residual or information or data may have been stored a bit. So not all data or not all your information may be stored in their back end or in their servers. So you can go and just request assistance in recovering those. Now also you may want to provide your mobile service provider here. So go and provide that. But once you provide all the details, click on submit and they will reach out to you for any possibilities or options that you may have in recovering your data. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.